Hello everyone, so if you want to download and set wallpapers on the Vivo X80 Pro using the app Magic Fluids, you are to open up your Play Store, search, you are to install this application, Magic Fluids. Alright, press install. Press open, press consent. Let's turn off the sound. I don't know why did it even turn up. So it gives us such a nice preview, right? Now to set it, you're to find this icon in the bottom right corner and press set as live wallpaper. Press yes. Press apply. You can choose where you want to set it, home screen or lock screen and home screen. I'll set it just on the home screen. And basically that's it. That's how you apply them. Looks nice. They're kind of cool. You can play with them and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.